Hello, my name is Wen Zhai. Let's talk to you today. How to use a Word or Make.com. Let's create a new scenario. Add the new module. Select Google Gemini to choose Create a competition. Then we set up the various settings of Google Gemini. AI model we choose 2.5 version. In role we can select user. Message type we select text. Here we set the question we want to answer. How to find a good job. Then save it. We add the new Google Sheet module. Then select Add the role. Then start setting up the various settings of Google Sheet. We select the sheet which named 零四. We choose sheet 1. The value here we enter result. Let's save it. Let's take a look at this sheet named 零四. The situation in sheet now, we already know. Now, let's go back to the scenario to run this workflow. We have to wait for a half a minute. Because of Google Gemini, it takes time to run. It's now running. Let's take a look at the contents of this sheet. Now, this content has been added here. If we need to transfer the output of Google Gemini to both Google Doc and a tool module with the variable x1, how do we do it? We add the word here. We add the Google Doc module here. We choose Create a document. We name it News 1. Content we can select result from Gemini module. Then save it. Let's add the tool module. Then set a variable. Name x1. Let's save it. Now we run this workflow. Let's wait for a minute and check the result of the operation. It's running now. Let's check the sheet which named 零四. Now a new record has been added. It means that it was fine. Let's check. Let's refresh it. We transmit the running results of Google Gemini to a Google.lamp new one through the router. Let's check the result of two modules. The result of this variable, the value of this variable, no problem. Also transmit the result of running Google Gemini to this variable. That is to say, transfer the output data of the previous module connect to the router to the M modules connected to the router. That's it for today's sharing.